Hello and welcome back to the course on Tableau. And today we're downloading and connecting to the dataset that we require for this section. So let's go ahead and get started with that. We're going to need a browser and we're going to go to superdatascience.com/Tableau. And if we scroll down to the bottom here, there's section 6, Tableau calculations, more dashboards and storytelling. And this is where our dataset sits. It's called the UK bank customers.csv. That's right, we're back to a CSV file because it's always good to know how to connect to different datasets and practice with different types of files. And before we download the file, I just wanted to say that there's a small caveat here that today's dataset is dummy data for an imaginary bank operating in the UK. So you don't have to worry. This is not real customer data. This is all mock-up data created specifically for the purposes of this exercise. So let's go ahead and download that. Save link as. I'll just put it into my folder. And now if I open up the folder, so actually I already had one, so I didn't really need to download it. So there's our file, and let's open that up and have a look at what is inside. So there's Excel. I'm going to copy the file into there. And now I'll just zoom in a bit. I don't need the browser anymore. I'll just zoom in a bit here. Let's make space for these columns. Okay, so we've got customer ID, the ID of the customer, the name of the customer, the surname, the gender of the customer, age of the customer, the region in the UK where they're from or where the branch is located. So it's either England, Northern Ireland, Wales, or Scotland. The job classification, whether they're white collar, blue collar, or other. The date they joined the bank. So this is a relatively new bank. It's only been operating for a year, for the year of 2015, from January to December. So that's when all of these customers joined. And the balance on the account of the customer in dollars or pounds. Doesn't really matter, just some sort of currency. And now if we go down to the very bottom, here you'll see that there's 4,015 rows, actually 4,014 because one row is a header. So not a lot of customers, relatively new bank. And what they want us to do is they want us to analyze how the different regions are represented in this customer base. So basically, what the customers look like in the different regions, so they can assess who's interested in the bank in these different areas of the UK and how to better service their customers. So we need to create some visuals, a dashboard, and a storyline to actually portray what we want to tell the executives and explain about the user base. So basically all of the findings that we uncover. So that's our data set. Let's close this file. You know, we don't want to save changes, and we will go ahead and connect Tableau to this file. So this is no longer an Excel file, it's a text file because CSV files are deemed text files. And we're going to open up UK bank customers. And there we go. So there's our file at the bottom. If we scroll down, we'll see, just to check that everything is okay and the total number of rows is correct. That's good. And now we can proceed to creating our visualizations that we will require for our analysis. So that was all for today. I look forward to seeing you next time when we will start analyzing the customers and creating some cool charts and maps and stuff like that. So until next time, happy analyzing.